Basic and fundamental way of speaking versus advanced way. The first sentence is, I want to say my car is not starting. So I'm getting very anxious and nervous. A better choice for getting anxious and nervous would be my car is not starting. It's giving me the screaming abdabs. It's giving me the screaming abdabs. I'm in a state of nerves. I'm in a state of agitation. My stomach is in knots. These are the different ways. Second is related to something related to nostalgia, recalling something. This audio track brings me the memories from the past. It makes me nostalgic. The same in better way, in advanced way, would be this audio track is creating a blast from the past. So this is the following idiom that can replace nostalgia, recalling, remembering. And it's said that this particular idiom that is creating blast from the past, this idiom was made popular by some of the music and radio DJs. Third is, I want to say, I can't wait to eat it. It's very hot. So instead of saying very hot, I would say it's piping hot. Okay, it's piping hot. So in the medieval time, it was used to refer to the steam from the kettle. The whistling sound that is let out by the steam reminds you of that sound from the musical pipe. So you can say it's piping hot. Next is, I want to say, hey, you can win over people by being polite and kind. Okay, so if in a way, to make fun or in a humorous way or to taunt someone, I can say you can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar. Okay, the next sentence is, hey, you look so active and energetic. So I can say, hey, you are looking full of oats today. You're full of vim and vigor. You're so vivacious. Bye.